Well, hello guys, Max Scarington, and I just decided to skip the chapters for Cowy because I wanted to do chapter 9. I just felt boring, and then usually I forgot this was the other server. I was too bored to move to another one. But yeah, it looks like we're just gonna be playing chapter 9. This is really I don't know who the heck are these people. But yeah, we know Snake and Wolfie. But yeah, I'm still working on the clinic chapter, guys. I am still working on it. But yeah, I'm playing with my friend here, Sayla, I guess. And it's usually bot mode, so it wouldn't be that hard. And as you can see here, I found the name of this girl. Her name is actually supposed to be Layla. Layla the mouse, I guess. I don't know. But yeah. So I kind of just wanted to skip this, guys. I'm really sorry. I really wasn't supposed to do this. I just really wanted to. So please forgive me if I win, because I just was bored. I didn't really want to change the subject or anything. So instead, I did this, really. Now I'm having a hard time searching for the green lock. I feel like I seen it somewhere. Yeah, I don't think so. I mean, you can go on the stairs. We're not talking about the stairs. Let's see. Yep, I knew it. I knew there was something up with here. I knew it. Except Bunish is dead. I'm not even going to mind him at all. I'm just going to leave that officer alone. There's technically, I guess, 3 bots in this game. Why do I keep on knowing? It seems like I keep on knowing where to go. Anything here? No, I don't really see anything. I feel like this is where the judge is and stuff. Yeah, I don't exactly see anything here. If we don't make this, I'm just gonna say that I'm gonna have to do the Tommy jump scare because he's a bot. Okay? And yeah, I was thinking of doing a jump scare video instead of this kind of video. I feel like I should just stop playing, but I made this video. I can't just stop like this. I'm gonna have to keep on going. How many? I swear to God, how many characters are there? Okay. I bound to think that there's the scissors. Okay, I feel like there's gonna be something in here. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, so we are not gonna need to worry about that right now because the mop is safely put. I feel like this guy been waiting for so long for me. Oh no. I haven't found the battery. No, I didn't find the battery. I feel like there's something here. There's bound to be something here because for a fact, we're 4 minutes in the game and we haven't like done anything really much. We just have been collecting stuff and yeah. Or maybe it could be here somewhere. Well, that was close. I mean, I'm confused, guys. Where do we go? Is it me or is that we've seen? Okay, guys, I feel like I'm just gonna have to do the Tommy jump scare because it's already going very, very long, the video, and we haven't found anything. I feel like there has to be something here. Because I did not just waste this whole time. Dead end, guys. Dead end. Where can we find this thing? Like, it's impossible, really. There's nothing here for a rent. Okay, guys. I feel like it's bound to say that we're 7 minutes in the video also. So, the only thing I'm going to have to say is that I'm going to have to post this video. Yep. So, if you guys are watching this, I'm going to make the Tommy jump scare after this. I kind of just did this for the Tommy jump scare, I guess. But, yeah. Make sure to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I feel like the next chapter today will be the cleaning chapter after Tommy. But, yeah. Bye.